Well, hello there. So in this particular video I'm going to talk about some cool softwares that you can use in order to keep your files. You can access those files from anywhere. So I'm going to talk about two softwares. One is DropBox and the second one is Windows Live Mesh. So let's get started. In order to find out about DropBox, you just have to go to open a web browser and just type in DropBox. And there we go, and we have the link. Just click that link and we are taken to the DropBox website. Right now I'm logged in, so just let me log out from here so you can see the website as you will see it. Okay, so this is the main link. You just if you want to watch a video about this Dropbox feature, you can watch it by clicking this particular button, or otherwise just click download Dropbox and then you can download the Dropbox and it will be start downloading and you save it. Okay, after saving, so I save it and then you run the setup. After this I run the setup and as you can see I run it and you install it, because I already have installed Dropbox, so I'm not going to install it again. But it's pretty simple procedure. Just follow the prompt on the screen and you will be done in no time. Okay, so in order to use the Dropbox you need to have an account with the Dropbox. Okay, so in order to set up an account you have to go to the website, or when you download the Dropbox it will ask you to set up an account. So you can click login, create an account. So it will ask you for your first name and last name, and then you can fill in an email address and a password, and boom, your account is created. Okay, so when you start the Dropbox for the first time, let me show you. Okay, so when you start the Dropbox for the first time, I started here and you would see an icon appearing in the taskbar here, and you can see a little green icon that actually mentions that all the document that you have, they're all up to date. Okay, so in order to see what files do I have in my Dropbox account, I just click that button and I say open Dropbox folder. And when you install the Dropbox, it actually creates a folder named Dropbox in your favorites document, or it actually falls under Mr. Anderson, so it will be under wherever your window has been installed. In my case the window has been installed in E, and I go to users and that's my name, and then there is a Dropbox folder. Okay, so by default these two folders will be created for you, these two and this third one will be there, and you can always create a new folder by yourself which you want to share with someone else. So suppose I want to create a new folder, say I just click new folder and I say new folder test, name it test, and I click enter. So you can see a blue icon there appearing. That means it's synchronizing with the website or the online storage. So now I click that. There is nothing right now. I can share something. Suppose I want to create I can create something, or I can drag something from my existing folders to this place. Okay, so suppose I want to share a song which I want to access from somewhere else. Okay, so I just copy this and go back to the place computer, my Dropbox folder, users, Mr. Anderson, Dropbox, and test folder. Okay, I just copy and paste it here, and boom. There are a couple of ways that you can open this folder. So now you can see the icon here is blue, and you can see there are two arrows. That means it's synchronizing right now, and you can see this notification here as well in notification bar. So it shows uploading one file, and it's 4 seconds, like how much time is left, and once it's done it will show as a green icon. That means it's synchronized. So you can see it's synchronized right now. Okay, So a couple of ways to open the Dropbox folder is first clicking this and open Dropbox folder. That will open your Dropbox folder for you, so you can see what files you already have there. And another way of sharing Dropbox, another way of accessing your Dropbox is through online. So that make Dropbox unique. So you can access your document on the go wherever you are. So I just go to the Dropbox website again, and then I log in over there. So you already have an account, so I have an account here. So I go and I say remember me and log in, okay, which will take me to my account, and I can see all the folders that I have on my desktop. So you can access these folders from anywhere in the world. So that's the beauty of it. So we just created test name folder, so you can see what is contained in the test folder by just clicking it. And there we go. We have the file, so you can access this file from anywhere, and also mentions how long it has been, how long it has been modified. So another beauty of Dropbox is you can share particular folders with someone, so you collaborate with someone. So suppose you're working on a project, you're working on a particular file together with someone, so you can share that folder and they can access the versions that you update. So in order to do that, we just go and click sharing, and here's an option we can say share a folder. So you can either select you want to create a new folder or you want to share an existing one. So I want to share an existing one. I click next. So suppose I want to share test folder, so I just click next, and here I enter the email addresses of any particular person. You just need to know the email address, just copy and paste it here. So if you want to share with more than one person, you just separate them by their addresses by comma, and you can also write a message, and then you press share folder, and boom, there you go, and your document is shared. So every other person can also see your document which you have shared with them. Okay, so this is one software that will be of help to you if you. And there one more thing, if you're using Google Chrome, I'm actually using an add-on for Google Chrome. In order to see, without going to this particular website, I can see what are the documents that are contained. And one more thing, whenever there is some change in your Dropbox folder, you will see a notification from here. It will pop up on your machine that something has changed or by someone. Okay, so in order to see my Dropbox folder without going to the Dropbox website, I have installed a Dropbox add-on. So this is the Dropbox add-on, as you can see here. When I click this, well, the first time when you click this button, it will ask you to log in. So I'm already logged in, so I can see all the folders that I have. So in order to see the content of these folders, I just click the particular folder and I see what is contained in that folder. And it also shows the recent events, so you can click recent events and you see I added this particular song and this particular folder at this particular time, right? So it's pretty easy. So how do we get that particular add-on? So in order to get the add-on, we just go type in Chrome add-ons and enter, and you go to extension Chrome Web Store, and top box you just type in DropBox, press enter, and here we go. We have the DropBox add-on. We just click that, and you install it here. Okay, just by clicking install, and it will be installed for you. Alrighty, so here I have it. In order to use it, I just click it, and that's it. That's for now. I hope it will come of help to you.